Hi, this is Martin on a Quick Mortgage Minute. Thank you for spending a couple seconds with me here today. And as you can see, it gets a little darker sooner now. So I'm here to give you all this great information about mortgages. And if you have any questions, you know that you can reach me at 714-616-2809. Today I actually want to tell you about a product that is investor specific, meaning that there's a certain bank that offers this program, and that is a 90% mortgage cash out refinance. Most banks will cap you at 80% of your house value if you're wanting to take out money against your home, right? So most of them will stop you at 80%. However, there is a bank right now that will lend you up to 90% of your house value if you need to pay off debt, pay off any other, let's say, colleges, weddings, any other life events, any medical bills, anything that you need to do. If you want to take cash out, they'll let you go up to 90% without any mortgage insurance. Now, important factor is that this is a conventional loan, so if you're going up to 90%, it's a risk factor, and you have to have pretty high credit scores. And what I mean by that is a 700 credit score or better. That's usually what they like, right? So it's a great program where if you already have maybe a higher interest rate on your first mortgage, and most second mortgages are at 9, 10, 11%, well, you can get something still in the single digits up to 90% of your home value. So if you have any questions, have any concerns, maybe this might fit your needs, please don't hesitate, give me a call. Thank you and have a great day.